You don't need more grammar. You don't need more vocabulary. You don't need to be perfect. You need to start speaking today. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start. Even if you feel shy, scared, or not ready, you can start today. Let's do this together. Many students tell me, Sophia, I understand English, but I can't speak. Maybe this is you. You watch videos, you learn words, you understand subtitles, but when you speak, your mind is empty. Why? Because speaking is not memory. Speaking is a skill. And skills need practice. Step 1. Stop waiting to be ready. The biggest mistake students make is waiting. You don't learn to swim by reading about swimming. You must enter the water. Even if your English is simple, I like coffee, I go to work. Simple English is real English. Step 2. Start talking to yourself. Yes, this is the safest way to start your journey. I'm Bray. In the morning, I am making coffee. The coffee smells good. Describe your life. At first, it feels strange. Then it becomes natural. Speaking is a muscle. You must train it. Step 3. Use the mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror and look at yourself. Ask simple questions. How are you today? What did you do yesterday? Answer out loud. Don't think too much. If you don't know a word, explain it differently. This trains fluency. Step 4. Shadowing. Choose a short video. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat. Copy pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. I didn't expect that. That's a good idea. Do this 10 minutes a day. Consistency is more important than long study hours. Step 5. Speak before you feel confident. Confidence comes after action, not before. Start small. Record voice messages, talk with AI. Even 2 minutes a day changes everything. You don't need 5 years. You don't need perfect grammar. You need daily, small speaking. 10 minutes a day for 30 days is 5 hours of speaking. Most students never do that. Be different. Tell me in the comments, what is stopping you? Fear? Vocabulary? Write one sentence. You become fluent by speaking. See you in the next lesson. Start today. Bye!